Enquiries here, and today's video, I have an unboxing from my lovely friend Jeneanne in, otherwise known as FREETHETOMATOES in Canada. Now this is for my birthday. She has sent me a gift, and she's been really unwell lately, and I was not expecting this at all, and yeah, I'm just like, bro, you need to make sure that you get better. Don't be sending me gifts. But everyone needs to go check her out at FREETHETOMATOES. She is such a wonderful person. I've been friends with her for so many years now, and I adore you. I adore you, Jeneanne. I fucking adore you. So let's see together what we have in here, because I have no idea. Oh, I can see my favorite things. I can see my favorite things. All right, she's done me a card as well. Happy birthday. I'm so sorry this took forever for me to send. However, whenever this finally makes it to you, I hope it brings a smile to your face and it forces you to continue your birthday celebration. I really wanted to be there for you, but I guess fate has bigger and better plans in store for us. Hopefully we get to find out what that is soon. Until then, love you lots and enjoy your box of goodies. Love, John, Jen, Huxley, and Hemi in spirit. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Yeah, so I turned 30. That was my birthday. So that's how old I should, just so you guys are aware. I can see these, which are my lollies. These, you cannot get them in New Zealand. I love these. So excited about them. So excited about them. Okay, and then I have, I don't know what this is in here. Oh, looks like it must be, oh, there we go. Some Cover Effects liquid highlighter glitter drops. I think, and this looks like, I don't know what this is. Face and body primer, Dior. Oh my god, she spoiled me. And then this other one there, this is so pretty. Like, we always just send each other like little gifts and stuff that we can do like YouTube videos on and stuff that we think that we'd like. That would be, oh my god, that is gorgeous. Like that at a festival. Oh my god, it's all, I love it. Oh, and there's another one. This blue one. That's gorgeous. Oh, I love it. I love it. I have no idea what else is in here. I'm actually terrified. I'm seeing this and I'm like, what is this? Glow? I'm assuming a highlighter. Oh, it's Glam Glow highlighters. Look at that. Hello, sexy. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. Oh my god, I love that. I love how it's silicone as well. I think it's so sweet. We always send each other like, what is this? Luna Beauty Strawberry Dream. Oh my god, look at it. The packaging of this. Oh my god, look. I cannot wait to get my hands in this. This is stunning. Yeah, we always send each other like stuff that we've tried for videos and stuff we've only used a few times, and we kind of like swap and stuff. It's like super fun. I absolutely love doing that. So this is what some of these things are too. We have Violet Voss, Sugar Crystals. Violet Voss, are you freaking kidding me, girl? What is it? I could stop the box now, and this is amazing. This lemon drop color. That feels so nice. Violet, oh my god, Violet. I'm looking at you, Jeneanne. I'm looking at you. All right, we have some more palettes in here too. More Violet Voss. This is the Essentials. This is stunning. This looks brand new as well. Oh my god, girl! Girl! Don't tell me there's another Violet Voss. This is a Beauty Bay. Oh, we don't have Beauty Bay here. Pastels. Need I say more? That is literally so stunning. Another palette. What is this? Lunatic Cosmetics. It's like the Necronomicon. Oh my god. Oh, this must be like blushes and bronzers and stuff. Oh my god, you can take little pans out. It's a magnetic pan. That's so cute. Look at these. I'm loving this color here. Oh my god, this is stunning. I love. Oh my god, she's sent a shit ton of this box. Like, oh my god. Then we have the Lethal Cosmetics. And what is this? This is... Oh, look! They're all like individual little pans. These are so cute. Objects mirror braver than they appear. That's pretty. It's a pretty nice colour. Pretty nice colour. There's always so many in these, and I never know where to freaking start. Huda Beauty, the Mercury Retrograde. Bro! Are you guys seeing that? What the hell? This is gorgeous too. I cannot wait to do videos on these. If you guys want videos on any of these, you let me know in the comments down below. Like, you let me know. All right, Strobe Cosmetics. Creepy cute. The green and the black, that looks like dark. That is dark. I've never heard of this brand too. I love it because I can try all these new things I've never tried. Then we have eye primer, Anastasia Beverly Hills. Love me a good eye primer. Oh no, we've got two things here. Caris Artesian Jewelry. Look at these. These I'm wearing at a festival. Look at them. They are so adorable. Those are so nice. I love them. They're so cute. And then we had the Tacosaurus. Are you joking me? Are you joking me? These are literally such cool socks. Are you kidding? I love socks. These are, I love dinosaurs. This is, you've done well. You've done well. Oil and shine control. Oh my God, this box I feel like is never ending. Okay, last little bundle. It's not a little bundle. The Aurora Glow Kit. Are you freaking kidding me? It's blue though. Love. And then the Moonchild Glow Kit. She is spoiling another glow kit, the Dream one. What is this one? Okay, Jeneanne, what the hell? This is so much. Oh my God, I'm overwhelmed. That look at all these palettes that we can do videos on and try and do all that. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to do any videos on these. But thank you so much, Jeneanne, for sending this to me. This makes my birthday so much more special, and especially like I know she wanted to come visit me this year, and I've been meaning to visit her. I've been trying to surprise her in Canada, but yeah, that is my goal, at least next year, to see this bitch, to meet her for the first time. It'll be so good. I love you, Jeneanne. Thank you for sending me. Thank you for sending me all of this. I can't wait to send you your box. I know I've been slack myself. I'm so thankful. Thank you so much. And thank you to everyone that's watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this too. But until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.